Hey everyone, want to learn how to use WinRAR? WinRAR is a popular file archiving tool that lets you compress files, extract archives, create zip and RAR files, split large archives, and protect files with passwords. In this full guide, I'll show you how to use WinRAR in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch WinRAR on your computer. You'll see the main interface where you can browse folders, select files, and manage your archives. To compress files, select the files or folders you want to archive, then right-click and choose Add to Archive ***. You can choose the archive name and format, such as RAR or ZIP, and then click *** OK ***. To extract an archive, right-click the RAR or ZIP file and choose Extract here * or Extract to a specific folder ***. WinRAR will unpack the files while keeping the original folder structure when applicable. When creating an archive, you can adjust the compression method. Higher compression can reduce the archive size, but it may take longer to create. For everyday use, the default settings are usually a good choice. If you need to divide a large archive into smaller parts, use the *split to volumes * option. This is useful when transferring large files through services or storage devices with file size limitations. WinRAR can also protect archives with a password. While creating an archive, click ** set password, enter your password, and confirm it. If the option is available, enable encryption of file names for additional privacy. For the best experience, keep WinRAR updated. Use strong, unique passwords for encrypted archives. Keep backup copies of important files, and don't open archives from unknown or untrusted sources. Compressed files can contain potentially harmful files, so always be careful when extracting downloaded archives. And that's how to use WinRAR in 2026. Whether you're compressing files, extracting downloads, creating archives, splitting large files, or protecting your data with a password, WinRAR gives you a powerful set of tools for managing archives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.